Welcome back to Jade Green Health, your go-to source for all things health and wellness. Today, we're examining a topic that's essential for anyone on their weight loss journey. Meal prepping. If you want to shed those extra pounds and make healthy eating a breeze, you're in the right place. We'll show you how to meal prep like a pro and set yourself up for success. So, let's get started. We're in the kitchen today because meal prepping starts right here. Planning your meals in advance can help you stay on track, save time, and make healthier choices. Now, let's break it down step by step. Step 1 is all about planning. Start by choosing your meals for the week. Look for recipes that are balanced and provide the nutrients you need. You'll want a mix of lean proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and plenty of vegetables for dietary fiber. Consider using a meal planning app or alternatively just use a simple notepad to make a list of your preferred meals. Be sure to consider your dietary preferences, any dietary restrictions, and your calorie goals. Also, make sure that you have sufficient storage containers for the meals that you intend to prepare. They'll keep your ingredients fresh and make the process more efficient. If possible, opt for glass or stainless steel containers for food storage as they offer increased durability and are safer, both for you and the environment. Once you've planned your meals, create a shopping list. This will help you stay organized at the grocery store and prevent you from impulse buying unhealthy items. Try to focus on fresh, whole foods whilst avoiding anything which is highly processed or includes significant amounts of added sugar. Make sure your shopping list is complete and includes all the ingredients you need for your meals. It will save you time and money in the long run. With your groceries in hand, it's time to prep your ingredients. Wash, chop, and portion your fruits, vegetables, and proteins. This will make it easier to organize your meals during the week. Now it's time to cook and assemble your meals. You can batch cook grains, proteins, and healthy sauces to use throughout the week. Then, portion your meals into individual containers for easy access. Remember to focus on portion control and stick to your calorie goals if you have them. Bear in mind that consistency is key in a successful weight loss journey. It's essential to store your prepped meals in the refrigerator or freezer. Label each container with the meal name and date to keep track of freshness. By organizing your fridge or freezer, you'll be less likely to opt for unhealthy takeout when you're hungry and pressed for time. As you can see, meal prepping can be a real game changer when it comes to weight loss and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. With a little planning and effort, you can enjoy nutritious, home-cooked meals all week long. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. If you have any questions or wish to share your own meal prep tips, then drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.